Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to put Capcut edit on TikTok. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, let me inform you that there are two ways to do that. The first one is you have to go to the TikTok application. After that, whenever you are roaming around your home page, you will be able to see a icon which is Capcut. Try this template just above the ID name. So if you just click on that, you can easily use the template and add the Capcut effect. So that's how easily you can do it. This is the first thing, and the second thing is you have to just record your video. Then you need to go to your Capcut application. After that, click on new project, then select that particular video that you want to edit. Okay, let's say this is the video. Click add from the bottom right corner, and you can just do your all editing stuff from this application. Now you have to just export the video from the top right corner. After that, you can easily share it to TikTok, and you can see there is a button named share to TikTok. Just click on it and that particular video will be shared to TikTok. That's all about today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.